Hi friends. Well, I wanted to do a DIY of this little pumpkin to be dressed in all this beautiful paint so it would match my candy coma area in my kitchen. And it was a disaster. Let me show you right here. So as you could see, it turned out really bad. I just wasn't in the mood to paint or what, I don't know. But anyway, I ended up getting these two awesome pumpkins at Michael's. And they even got sparkles. So that was the extra bonus. So I'll show you what it looks like in my little nook in the kitchen. Be right back. So I'm getting a giggle out of this little area in my kitchen. This little guy was from Dollar General about 2 years ago, I think, maybe last year. And as you know, the Michael's pumpkin saved the day, and the candy's from the grocery store, and the jars are from the dollar store. And the very little raid done that I have for autumn, but I'm very happy. And these little guys are also from Michael's, or you can get them at the dollar store. And I just took the stem off like I did the pumpkin and just glued it on the top of the jar. And if I get any more redone, I want to get that little guy with the he's a candy corn painted, and then he's got a topper to him of a hat and a nose type of thing. I gotta get that yet. It's pretty cute. So maybe my whole little kitchen will turn into a candy corn kitchen. I'm so silly, but happy. Okay, talk to you soon.